everybody. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Ria Varsami and I am a Shamanic astrologer and past life regression hypnotherapist. Today I will be sharing with you astrological information about the upcoming new moon in Aquarius based in Shamanic astrology, ancient wisdom. The new moon in Aquarius is happening on the 1st of February or the 31st of January, depending on where you are in the world. And this is a very magnificent new moon because it's marking the beginning of the lunar new year. The lunar nodes moved from the axis of Sagittarius Gemini to the axis of Taurus Scorpio on the 18th of January. And this lunar cycle will last for 18 months. Every lunar cycle, every time the lunar nodes change signs, it represents a collective release of karma. And it's a new cycle that the humanity in a collective level are entering to work on different things, to evolve, to rise the consciousness. So now this new moon is falling on the 12 degrees of Aquarius. So if you want to know how this new moon is going to affect you personally, based on your personal birth chart, you have to look where does the 12 degrees of Aquarius falls in your chart, which house do you have, if you have any planets on the energy of Aquarius. Especially you can be more influenced if you have your Ascendant in Aquarius, your moon, or your sun sign. Now, if you like my videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, press the notification button so every time I upload a new video, you get notified. So every new moon, it's a beginning of a cycle. So every month we have a new beginning of a cycle of the moon, and it's a time where we plant new seeds. It's a time for beginning, for starting new things, and for also manifesting. And Aquarius is energy that's very much connected with truth, with freedom, with rebellious, a very rebellious energy. In Shamanic astrology, Aquarius is the archetype of the humanitarian, of the cosmic revolutionary, and the archetype that is very much connected with the vision, the visionary. So also Aquarius is like, this Aquarius energy can like be very innovative and really bring a solution. When you think like there is nothing else, like you're really in the mud or in the smoke and you can't see anything, this Aquarian energy gives you like a bigger picture, a higher perspective, and always give like these innovative ideas of what you can do next, or give solutions to the situation or to a problem you might be facing. Also, Aquarian energy is very much connected with the future, is connected with future plans, and also is connected with our tribe, our soul tribe, our community, with groups, with friends, and also is connected with the new age, and also with these new age ideas and projects. So this new moon in Aquarius is all about inventing your life. Maybe you have been stuck in a situation, in a relationship, in an environment, wherever you might felt actually stuck, and also be inside you might feel stuck. This energy of Aquarius will help you to find freedom, break free and liberate yourself. And it's going to bring all these solutions, all these innovative ideas, so you can actually find your freedom. So we have been working a lot with Capricornian energy until the 20th of January, and it's been very earthy, very like grounded energy, which now the Aquarian energy is very different. It's a very like light energy. It's air sign, Aquarius is air sign, so it's very light energy. But we have a lot of like planets in the energy of Capricorn still. We have Mercury, we have Pluto, we have Venus and Mars. So when Venus and Mars are in the energy of Capricorn, it's a very great time for meeting new people, for starting new relationships, because that gives very solid like foundation with this earthy grounding Capricornian energy. It's a great time also for start dating and generally to explore new people. As we explore new people, we explore different aspects of our feminine and masculine side. So also the ruler of this new moon is Saturn, because Saturn is the ruler of Aquarius, and actually Saturn is in the energy of Aquarius. So this is very amazing, because Saturn is the planet that is connected with contraction, with difficulties, with challenges. It's the planet, in Greek we call it Chronos. Chronos is the god of time, and also is our greatest teacher, right? Because it really teaches us how to navigate through difficulties. And being in the energy of Aquarius will be there to give us like the focus, the structure. It will give us this kind of like inner strength to take responsibility, make a plan, and just invent what we have to do to find freedom. So it's going to be a great assistance for finding freedom and just liberating ourselves from whatever is holding us back. Any situation, any pattern can also be an internal pattern that we feel like kind of stuck or stagnant, right? So now Venus has been retrograde since the 19th of December, and I know I spoke a lot about Venus and you guys felt that energy was very strong. And the 29th of January it moved direct. So this is like bringing also a fresh, like new, like release after this long period of Venus being in retrograde. And also Mercury is gonna go direct on the 3rd of February, like 2 days almost after the new moon. So it's not very powerful on this new moon. Now the great news I have for you is that after Mercury moves direct, we have no planets in retrograde until the end of April. And actually until the 29th of April. The 29th of April, Pluto moves in retrograde, and it's going to be until October. So from the 3rd of February until the end of April is a great time to manifest miracles. Use this energy, really use this energy. It's like everything is like straightforward to just like literally change, reinvent completely your life, like completely be this new person you want it always to be. Now it's the time for that. So yeah, very exciting actually. So if you enjoy my video, make sure you like the video. Also feel free to comment. I would love to hear from you. Please don't be shy and just write something in the comments. Also, I want to inform you that on the 2nd of February, the 2nd of the 2nd, 2022, it's also a portal. I'm doing an online workshop, Shamanic Astrology and guided meditation to use all this energy of this new moon. And also I will be giving to all the participants personal new moon readings, mini readings would be. And because of that, will be very few spots for this workshop. So if you are interested, I will put the link below. Make sure you book your spot in advance. Because this is an event that gets booked very quickly. So thank you so much for listening. All the best for this new moon, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.